Like, I remember my parents waking me up at the crack of dawn to watch a lily that was about to bloom in our garden. And I was like half asleep, but they woke me up and I came downstairs and I sat on a stool outside in our garden and just watched this lily bud that was about to open. And I just remember thinking that that was the absolute most magical thing I would ever see in my life. In little increments, you know, like you watch the petals actually unfurl, like step by step. But it also takes a lot of patience. You have to sit there for hours watching it, but it does happen. And it happens in front of your eyes, and you feel like you're the luckiest person in the universe to be witnessing something like that. Restoration ecology, which can go beyond just preserving something that's already there. I think restoration ecology opens up this whole other world of imagining what we can create. These non-human beings around me, it's like they offer so much wisdom and value to my life, and I just want to get to know them as much as possible. It's kind of like cultivating friendships. We put time and love and effort into cultivating friendships with fellow humans, and I think it's just as important to cultivate relationships with non-human beings. Caterpillars are very specifically eating the leaves of their host plant. That's why native plants are so important, because plants that have evolved to support very specific insects that rely on them. Something happens, they start making a chrysalis around them, become completely enclosed in this womb. Inside, they're completely rearranging their organs and their body parts. It's all happening in there in this chrysalis. They're becoming who they were meant to be all along. What if we were taught how to cultivate our relationship with the earth? I think it's through healing that relationship that we can heal ourselves. Spring comes, and the days are getting longer, and the snow is melting. Plants are coming up, and in our prairie plots, this completely new being is emerging. And it's just like one step at a time. It's like watching that lily bloom when I was a kid, and like it's just breathing and just taking some time to realize what it's become. And the wings start opening up and expanding and growing, and then it's a butterfly. Yeah,